Hey guys, I was asked to make a present for a 6-year-old girl, so I decided to make a shoebox dollhouse for her. So let me show you how I did it. Obviously, I took a big shoebox and I made openings for a door and for a window. And here you can see that I'm using clear plastic to cover the window. And I used Hello Kitty cardstock for the walls. And here we are making the toilet, the bathroom, because I wanted to have at least the bathroom. And this is some random cap that I used for the bathtub, and that's a candle holder and a straw. Now, instead of walls on the door, I decided to have a curtain because I wanted the girl to be able, to put her hand inside and maybe wash the baby and play with the stuff, and the wall would not have left so much room. So I also have a mirror, and this is a contact lens container. I cut it in half, so I made this a standing sink. And there's also a shelf. This is just a thick wire and a piece of wood, and I wanted to be able to put stuff onto the shelf, so I reinforced it with a piece of clear plastic, and I added more stickers. And then I thought, why not make it a Barbie, on the top of Hello Kitty. So now it's a mix. I also added another curtain, and that's a couch. I used a thick cardboard and fabric, nothing really fancy, just regular stuff in the house. And this chair and the table are from another video, and that's a box from AirPods, which I turned into a closet, and I wanted to use as many stickers as I wanted, as I could actually, and I have tons of stickers. That's a fridge, because there was no room for the kitchen, so I thought I'll use at least a Frigidaire. So this is the box with shoes that I made in another video. And that's the final craft. I also added here a TV and a TV stand. It's just half a box that I covered with colorful cardstock, and added little legs to this TV stand and stickers, nothing fancy. And I took books, which I made also for an older video. And I made a big TV, and I also added some accessories, and they will come in a separate bag. Yes, that's pretty much it. Yeah, there will be, for example, this backpack and this bag and these boots. That's sort of a dress. Overall, it's so much fun to make. I absolutely love shoebox doll houses. This is something that I used to make as a child. There is a very simple laptop. It's just foam paper basically, and that's a shelf that you can move around the house in case this is all modular. She can move the furniture as she likes. And the shelf can move as well, obviously. And we have a blue carpet in the middle. So thank you guys. Enjoy. Bye bye.